Hello.
Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1 8 count. It's
Maddie.
and
Peter.
you. Y'all did great. We're going to review what we did. We started out with just the footwork. So here, you go on this side so we don't hurt your little handy there. We held hands. We did rock, step, bam, and rock, step, bam. Then we turned that into scoot, rock, step, scoot. Everyone did the footwork very well. This would be great practice for you right here. Just rock, step, scoot to help you find the step. Then we had the leader start with their left foot.
Followers start with their right.
And we did the flip-flop. It looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. We open and we close. We open and we close. Remember, when you turn slowly and go kind of sidewaysy, the triple steps are easier to do. Then we did the yo-yo, holding hands in front like this. Followers belly button height. I move my arms in front with a follower-sized space in between them. I don't have to shove. So, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Then reverse yo-yo goes, rock, step, me in front. Maddie's super chill and patient, right, Maddie?
Super chill.
Super chill. Then we did rock, step, bam, and we shook our butts, and then we danced out of it. So this is the last sequence we did. One flip-flop, one yo-yo, one reverse yo-yo. And then we stop and shake, we go rock, step, bam, hey, hey, hey. And then you start the whole thing over, you can mix it up. Your homework is just to do the footwork in place a whole bunch if you can. Leader start left, follower start right. This is it. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Everywhere you go. Step, step, triple step. Always in your mind. Step, step, triple step. A waking nightmare all the time. Step, step, triple step, rock, step.